Hi students, good morning. Today's classes is going to be 8th standard mathematics and the topic is linear equations in one variable, exercise 8.1. Now we are going to cover the topics are introduction, equation, linear equation, solution or root of an equation, procedure for solving an equation, transposition, solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Now let us see equation and a linear equation. What is equation? An algebraic statement which contains the sign of equality is called an equation. For example, 3 plus x is equal to 7. Next, a linear equation. If the equation contains only one variable and the highest power of the variable is 1, then it is called a linear equation in one variable. For examples, 2x plus 9 is equal to 7. 5x minus 3 is equal to 12. How to find solution or root of an equation? The value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called a solution or a root of the equation. For example, x is equal to 5 is the solution of 3x minus 8 is equal to 7. Now, taking LHS 3x minus 8. Now, substitute the values of x. 3 into 5 minus 8. 3 5s are 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now, 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Let us see procedure for solving an equation. First point, add the same number to both sides of the equation. Second point, subtract the same number from both sides of the equation. Third point, multiply both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Fourth point, divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Now we shall move to transposition. What is transposition? Let us see example. X plus 6 is equal to 10. Method 1. Consider x plus 6 is equal to 10. Here plus 6 is constant term on left hand side. X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6. Subtracting 6 from both sides. This is step 1. Next, x plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So, x plus 0 is equal to 10 minus 6. Next, x plus 0 is x is equal to 10 minus 6. Now, x is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4. So, solution of x plus 6 is equal to 10 is 4. Method 2. If a term is transposed from one side to the other of an equation, we change the sign of the term. X plus 6 is equal to 10. Here left hand side x plus 6 is transposing other side. X is equal to 10 minus 6. Transposing 6 from LHS to RHS. The solution of x is 4. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. Example, 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. We have 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Here transposing minus 9 to RHS. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. Now x is equal to 25 divided by 7. Dividing both sides by 7. So the solution of x is equal to 25 by 7. Now let us see example sum. x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. We have x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Now x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Transposing 1 to RHS. X by 3 is equal to, taking LCM of 7 by 15 minus 1, the answer is minus 8 by 15. Now x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3, multiplying both sides by 3. So the value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Next example, y divided by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. We have y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. Now y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Here multiplying both sides by 1.5. The value of y is equal to 2.4. Next we shall move to exercise sum. Solve the following equations. First sum, x minus 8 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 plus 8. Here transposing minus 8 to RHS. So x equal to 7 plus 8 is 15. The value of x is equal to 15. Next sum, 15 is equal to x minus 7. 15 plus 7 is equal to x. Transposing minus 7 to LHS. So 22 is equal to x. The value of x is equal to 22. Next sum. Solve 5x is equal to 16. We have 5x is equal to 16. Dividing both sides by 5. So x is equal to 16 divided by 5. Next sum, solve x divided by 6 is equal to 2.5. X is equal to 2.5 into 6. Here multiplying both sides by 6. Now x is equal to 15. Solve x minus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 by 2. X is equal to 7 by 2 plus 3 by 5. Transposing minus 3 by 5 to RHS. X is equal to, taking LCM, 35 plus 6 divided by 10. Now x is equal to 41 divided by 10. Solve x by 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Now x by 5 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 4. Here transposing 4 to RHS. Taking LCM of 3 by 2 minus 4. X by 5 is equal to 3 minus 8 divided by 2. X by 5 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now x is equal to minus 5 by 2 into 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. The value of x is equal to minus 25 divided by 2. Thank you, students.